Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hope you all are doing great. Let's go for a grocery shopping with us.
के भयो
And we have reached Bhatpatini. Let's start our shopping now.
यो मिठो छैन जस्तो छ यो खैदेऊ बेबी अहिले घरमा छ के निभियाको
And after a quick grocery shopping, we are back home. Let's do a quick grocery haul guys. I just wanted to show you what I bought. This Bikaji Khatta Mita is my current favorite guys. I love it. I will be making roasted chicken for dinner. So for that I bought this mustard sauce, chili flakes to spice up my foods, banana chips because I love eating them, and this one I got it for my husband. I was so hungry, so we had picked up this samosa from Kamakhya Sweets. Samosa with gulli achar is emotion that I can't explain. Guys, tell me, do you prefer samosa with gulli achar or you like chole samosa? Let me know. And here my husband is checking out his gift. It was such a lovely evening, so we stayed out for some time with our neighbors, had a little chit chat. Our neighbor has this beautiful guava tree and we are enjoying fresh guava. And here my husband is cleaning chicken. As I told you earlier, I'm going to make roasted chicken for dinner tonight. I have added garlic paste, salt, black pepper, and now I'm adding mustard sauce. I'm adding lots of chili flakes and some butter. Give it a nice mix. You need to apply this mixture all over your chicken. By now you all must have guessed it that I am making Farah Khan's viral roasted chicken. I have made this chicken so many times guys and we all love it. You just have to add some water and boil the chicken until it's cooked well. And here our delicious roasted chicken is ready. I'm also making soya chunks, which is again one of our favorite. Here my brother is enjoying his dinner. He absolutely loved and enjoyed this chicken, which made me so happy. And here my Bauji is serving dinner for us. I had also made this carrot pulao which goes absolutely well with chicken. Thank you so much for watching guys. Sending you all lots of love.